there, Jasmine with WTI. Check out my ZOBER hanging closet shelf. This has 5 shelves and 6 mesh pockets, and it has completely reorganized my cleaning closet. I couldn't be happier with it. Let me show you some of its features. Because of its sleek design, it allows for so much more room for all of your other things inside your closet. The organizer is super simple to put together. You simply place the metal hanger in the top box of the organizer and slip the hangers through the 2 grommets on the top of the organizer itself, and then you hang those hangers on your rod. It's extremely heavy duty and it should hold some fairly heavy loads. It's made with a really durable material and the shelves are really sturdy and strong. I love that it has 6 mesh pockets on the sides so you can store away anything else that you may need. So if you need some organization and you want to maximize your space, check out ZOBER's hanging closet shelves with 5 shelves and 6 mesh pockets. You won't go wrong. You'll be so happy you got that messy closet of yours organized once and for all. But that's just my point of view.